Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Prioritization Helper. The first thing to note is there's 3 ways to use Prioritization Helper: Pairwise Comparisons, Matrix Scoring, and Value Scoring. For this video, I'll be going over Pairwise Comparisons. These are used to make unbiased group decisions such as who will we hire for a job opening, who should cater the food for our annual sales meeting, what giveaway prize will we have at Dreamforce. First, we need to choose a goal. Let's go with deciding to hire a new employee after interviewing all of the candidates. The alternatives are all of the options, in this case, candidates. Then decide on criteria in which to judge all of the alternatives. For this example, we chose experience, references, and culture fit. Now we can send it to all the decision makers for their input. This invite can be to Salesforce users, or you can even send it to employees without access to Salesforce. This is what will show after someone opens their invite. Decision makers can then start rating the criteria 2 at a time to decide which traits they find most important. Use the sliders to determine which of the 2 criteria is more important. 9 indicates one is significantly more important than the other, while 1 means they are equal. At the top, you will see an inconsistency rating. This shows how consistent all of your answers are together. If you've clearly ranked the criteria without any contradictions, this will be a lower percentage. Ideally, you would like to keep your score under 10%, though there's nothing stopping users from going to the next step. The inconsistency rating gives users a chance to rethink their answers before moving on. This helps people realize biases they might not have been aware of. Now users will compare all of the alternatives to the criteria using the same method as the last step. Again, the consistency rating works the same here. Once they are done, they will submit their results. Prioritization Helper will work behind the scenes to calculate their most desired outcome using the analytic hierarchy process. When everyone has submitted their comparison, you can run the final results. Results can be saved as either Salesforce files or as a PDF. Optionally, you can run a what-if analysis. With the what-if analysis, you can see how results would differ if you took away some of the criteria options. You can also look at an individual's results. Pairwise comparisons are most useful when finding decisions to complex problems with high stakes. It stands out from other decision-making techniques as it quantifies criteria and options that traditionally are difficult to measure with hard numbers. Rather than prescribing a correct decision, analytic hierarchy process helps decision makers find the one that best suits their values and their understanding of the problem. Now stakeholders' opinions will be heard and they're on the same page about how a decision was made.